Change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You spent a lifetime stuck in sadness. There's no need to become if no one ever hears it. And we're gonna learn your song. So come on, come on, come on, come on. You've got a heart as loud as lion, so just let your voice be tamed. Maybe we're a little different. There's no need to be ashamed. You've got the light to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the words dry out. Put it in all of the papers. I'm not afraid. They can read all about it, read all about it. So when did we all get so fearful? So now we're finally finding our voices. So take a chance, come help me sing this. Yeah, we're a wonderful, wonderful people. So when did